Managing Files and Directories via FlashFXP. This tutorial will show you how to manage files and directories on a server via FlashFXP. First, we need to connect to the server. You will need to configure FlashFXP with the account information prior to attempting to connect to the server. For more information on configuring the account information, refer to the tutorial Configuring Accounts in FlashFXP. Click the Sites menu. Select Site Manager. Click the Connect button. First, let's change to the CGI bin directory. Double-click the directory. Now, let's create a new directory. Right-click in the window. Select Make Folder. Enter the name of folder. Click the OK button. Next, let's rename the directory. Right-click the directory. Select Rename. Enter a new name for the directory. Next, let's move a file into the directory. Right-click the file. Select Move. Enter the new path. Click the OK button. Next, let's set the permissions on the directory. For CGI scripts to work, both the file and the directory where the file is located have to be granted both read and execute permission for the user, the group, and all other users. Right-click the directory. Select Attributes Chmod. Our directory automatically inherited the correct permissions when it was created from the parent directory. However, files that are uploaded or created will not automatically inherit permissions from the parent directory. Let's use this option to recursively apply these permissions to all files and subdirectories that are currently in this directory. Be careful when recursively setting permissions, as any errors will affect all files and directories below this one as well. Click the OK button. The procedure for setting permissions on individual files is the same as it is on the directories, except that the option to apply the permissions recursively does nothing, since files cannot have subfiles or directories. Finally, let's delete the directory. Right-click the directory. Select Delete. Click the Yes button. Since we are deleting a directory that could contain subdirectories or files, FlashFXP gives us this warning. Click the Yes button. The procedure for renaming, moving, and deleting individual files is also the same as it is for directories, except for the recursive nature of handling directories that doesn't apply to the management of individual files. Multiple files or directories within a directory can be selected to upload or download by holding the Control key and clicking the file or directory to add it to the selection prior to initiating a move, deletion, or change to the permissions. Congratulations! You now know how to manage files and directories on a server via FlashFXP.